Back to Talk of Alabama. It's Babypalooza Expo that's got everything for the soon-to-be parents or parents, even some caregivers and grandparents. Here with an overview of the event is Cecilia Pearson with Alabama Baby and Child Magazine. And good stuff. I'm shocked always the things that are invented for babies.
I know, they never stop.
They don't, and I always think, why did I not invent that? Let's start with this side.
Well, this is a air filter. This is the Duke's air filter, and this is a great one because I don't know if you can really tell because it's daylight, but it also acts as a night light, so it has this nice blue light that comes on. But it also
angle it so the camera can see that light.
Okay.
There we go.
That's great.
Okay.
It also has a HEPA filter in there, so if you open it up, you can see it has a filter that you can interchange that filters the air, and it also has a little cup, so if you want to put like a essential oil in there, like a lavender or something like that, to put a scent into the room, you can do that. And so again, everything is about keeping the baby's air clean, and so this is a nice HEPA filter air with an oil tank in it and a night light, and this retails for about $79.
Okay.
But it's very quiet because it's on right now and you cannot hear it, so we also love that.
I was going to say I don't hear anything. Okay, that's a good baby shower gift.
Yes,
okay,
absolutely. And this is another one by the same manufacturer. It's a Duke's, but this is a not a vaporizer, but a humidifier. And it's also a night light, so you can fill this water tank. It will last for 8 to 10 hours, so you would fill it nightly. But it is ultrasonic, and the difference between ultrasonic is it takes all the water and it creates a fine mist. And the reason you want a humidifier is, especially in the wintertime, is that one, you're going to have to use less heat, and babies' lungs are really developing, and so that it's going to kind of keep their airways moist, and because when they get colds, you can't use cold medicine, and so what you want to do is prevent them from getting colds. So you want to keep their air clean and you want to keep the air moist.
And I never knew until becoming a parent that babies can't use cough medicine.
Absolutely.
I never knew that, so good to know.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
This is the Moby Air, and again, this is the easiest way to do it is to show the picture of the mom wearing it, but this is a baby carrier. One of the things that we like about that is how small it is, so you could have this in your purse, and then you can be walking around at a festival or an event and think, I'm tired of the stroller or something like that, and just pull this out and have a nice quick carrier to wear your baby in. This is a very popular carrier. And so that's the Moby Air. And another one is the Moby Wrap. That's one that's really recommended for infants. This is a very popular wrap, and that's when you want to keep your infant really close to you.
There's the baby.
The Moby Wrap.
If you're looking for where the baby is.
Yeah, and one of the things that we're going to have at the Tuscaloosa Babypalooza, we're going to actually have the Tuscaloosa doulas are going to be there, and they're going to be teaching moms how to actually wear your baby. They're going to be talking about the different wraps, which ones you're going to want at different stages and different weights. And that's going to be one of the attractions that we're going to have there. The last thing we have, this is MAM, and MAM has a wide variety of oral care products. This is one of my favorites. This is the Oral Care Rabbit, and basically the mom would put their hands into these two fingers and be able to massage the baby's gums and remove the bacteria and all the different things for the gums. And so this is kind of like the first part of oral health care for the baby, just kind of getting them used to that before they can brush their teeth. And it has a whole lot of different elements that kind of go from infancy all the way up. Okay, so Cecilia, it is a free event. In closing, where and when? It's going to be Saturday at the Bryant Conference Center, which is on the campus of the University of Alabama in Tuscaloosa. Okay. It's from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. It's absolutely free. We're going to have a series of health seminars, fashion shows. All of this stuff, we showcase it and give it away free. You can find out all the details on babypaloozatour.com. We also encourage you to register because, like I said, we're going to be playing baby bingo and games like that for you to win it. Very nice, Cece. Thanks for showing us all this cool stuff. Straight ahead on Talk of Alabama, it's time for the 13th annual Baker